Hello and welcome to Pink Poodle 2. I am Pink Poodle. This is Poodle Paul joining us today. And Maisie, oh no, where is Maisie? And Maisie and Priscilla are there. This is a different unboxing today. We're unboxing a item we bought from QVC and we thought you might enjoy us unboxing it. It is in fact today's special value that was last month, and we had it on advanced orders, and it is the Shark. So I've got to put my glasses on because I can't see. The Shark, it's a Shark, it's this here, the Shark corded stick with anti-hair wrap. Because of my hair continuously falls out, it gets wrapped up in the thing and it gets turned. So we thought we'd get this. This was 100. It was on today's special value at 160 odd pound, and it's easy payments of £59. But you have to pay P&P. So we're having trouble getting it out of the box, guys. God, this is really hard. Short and long pet hair. This looks like a really good hoover. Right, there you go. Ooh. So this is what it is. Poodle Paul's holding it up. This here. So this is the Shark corded stick with anti-hair wrap. Actively removes hair from brush roll, so you don't have to. Long, short, and pet hair. Powerful portable cleaning. So it's got a
30-foot cable.
10 metre and pet hair removal tool. Do you think if we put it on the actual pets it might remove them? Probably not. Well, it doesn't matter about poodle hair. Having said that, look at my mad scientist. It'll be good because of me clipping the hair of the dogs, so it'll be okay for that. What's that?
That's
so
what
this
you
is
get.
like, this is the all the bits that I'll be getting it, and this time we will not be losing these bits because somebody loses them bits, and then we're left if we want to use it. So open it up. We've got starter guide there telling us all about it, and then it comes with a manual. So yeah, right. So quite excited about this. Yeah. Sad to be sad. We're actually very excited about having a hoover, because our other hoover we've had we've had for quite a while, but unfortunately I broke the handle, so when you pick it up, there's nothing wrong with the hoover, it works perfectly. I'm not going to be getting rid of that. It's just going to be like our spare hoover. And Paul can, well, you can take this out to the van because it's got a little bit. So this is the what they're talking about, the anti-hair thing there. So you know, like when your hair gets all tidied up in it, it's not going to get tied up in it, because I don't know, it just says it doesn't. So
that's the clip.
I take it that, yeah, that's the clip for all the things. So it's very nice. It's very sleek and smells nice.
Yes.
It smells very nice.
Clean smell, innit?
Yeah, it smells new. You know, like when you've got something new. Oh God, I can't believe my hair. My hair looks like I'm a.
This is the.
I wasn't expecting to do this today. So.
No, this is the.
This is for the little bit. This is for the stairs.
Furniture in it.
Furniture and the stairs, and again you've got that anti. What do you call it on it? I'm interested to see.
This is for your beard.
Yeah. Don't know. This is for something or other. I'm not sure what this bit's for. I think this is for upholstery, isn't it?
Another bit
and there's a bit for don't know what that's for either. I never know what that is for. Now is the main event.
This is the
This is the main event.
The
right, that is,
bit.
Does that have to go in there, innit?
That's got to go in there. But I think.
And like it swivels about as well. And I think, what's this? Wand release. Oh, that's if you want to release the wand. And like it's got a nice little. And I think you get 60 days on this. If you don't like it, you can send it back. But I'm sure me and Paul's going to like it. You can actually take the barrel off, and then you've got it sort of more portable, and you haven't got this bit. So
that's to connect into that.
I'm always kind of scared about touching things like this at first, because it kind of like frightens me in case I've busted it.
Oh, look at this plug.
So this
These. Right.
What?
Now. Oh, that's heavy. Feel that?
Is it heavy?
That's really
so
heavy.
This is, no, it isn't. It's quite light.
No, it's
this is the actual main cylinder. So that's really good. So that bit must go in.
No, don't go in there.
You don't go in there?
No.
Well, don't go
That.
in there. So what goes in there? That must go in there, doesn't it? That goes in there.
That connects into...
Yeah, so...
Into
the arm bone connects to the
knee bone.
Yeah.
And then that connects into... Like... Oh, sorry.
Is that not in there?
Where?
Oh no, I suppose it doesn't. No,
No.
it don't, because it's all over the shop.
And then that...
Goes in there. No? No, that's not the right bit. That's the, yeah. Look, can you see it now? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh,
there.
that's it. Oh gosh.
Oh.
Let's have a look. We'll have a go and see if anything gets picked up in there. Oh look, can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. So it's like that.
It's about 4 foot, I would say.
It's quite, yeah, it's not a, and then if you want to use the little one to do with the car or anything.
Look.
What?
And the legs come out.
The what?
The legs.
The legs. Oh, I've got little legs that come out. I can't show you that. Look, there's little legs there. Oh, they come out. Where did you get that from?
I think they don't show that on that.
They must do.
Other people. So there.
I don't know. So what?
That goes in there. Oh.
Oh, there. See that? That moves there. See that?
You can't do it.
So again. Look, I can see. Look,
you go straight.
That way a bit more.
There. And this is that side. You don't want to see more. So if you're doing under the bed, you do that. But if you want to stand up, you press that to stand it up.
So it makes it more
and then makes
secure.
it that.
Yeah, that's cool.
And then
that's good, isn't it?
You.
Right, okay, sorry.
You press that.
Oh yeah, and that becomes a handheld then. I can do the stairs and stuff, can't you? So how do you undo it? Do you need to look at the instructions?
Oh, see, sod. No, I think. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the instructions.
Should we look at the instructions? I've got my glasses on. It's all new to us, guys. It's all new.
That's that.
You work that one out?
Put that down. Right.
Try it. See if we can pick up anything from this floor. We have hoovered this, but it's...
They say do demonstration.
He wants to do a demonstration, but how do you clean him? Let's have a look how you empty the...
Right. Let's see.
So you put the tools on now, you keep them on now.
Right, I'm going to plug in now.
I'm going to plug in and see what happens.
And then
I'll see it all shoot up there and it'll look like we've got a dirty house.
No, this is we don't usually have carpet, do we?
No, we don't normally have carpet. Right.
No. Press that.
Go on then. And he's off.
Down.
Let's see. Oh look, get little lights as well.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
You know what that is? That is the shake and back. You see?
Look at that.
Blimey, look at that shake and back that's coming on.
Yeah, look. This is without the light on. So even if you lights are off.
That's so you can see under the beds, isn't it?
And I'm going to take it out of here because this is from the shake and bake.
Yeah, because I put shake and bake, you can see it's up there.
Do the shake and bake, the freshest back. Do the shake and bake, the freshest back. I'm not going to sing anymore. But, okay, that's
oh, and Billy's not barking at it. Normally Billy goes mental.
Right.
Normally the dogs go really. Normally the dogs go really mad. It's not loud either. Maybe that's why. Oh
wow.
My God! Look how much shake and back was on the floor. Oh my God! There's so much shake and back on the floor. I didn't realise. Oh my God!
Oh.
Look.
Look at that. And that's shake and back.
That's all the shake and back that I had on the floor. That is deep cleaned. I didn't realise I put that much down. How much has gone in there?
Wow. Look at that. That's what they say, don't they? That's what they say. Well,
there you go.
Wow.
We should be doing our we've only got carpet in here, and in the middle room we don't have carpet in our room. We haven't got carpet downstairs, but you can do the dusting of the floor. What is the bottom like, the thing now? So that's still, look, there's still no hair or anything in that, just like bits of shaken back. So look, so yeah, that's good.
It's very worth the money, isn't it?
Yeah, I would think so. We've been on the lookout for a good hoover, even though our hoover's pretty good, you know, we've got, but it isn't, I suppose it would have picked up quite a bit of that if we'd hoovered it with it. But Billy barks at the other hoover and it drives us nuts, so we don't always want to, I just want to thingy with the hoover, so he doesn't seem to be worried about this one. He doesn't seem to be menacing enough for him. So what are, so these are the tools? They're for the tools,
That's for
the tools, isn't it?
Yeah, that's for, I think that's for the
stairs.
For the stairs.
We've got carpet on the stairs.
I ain't going to show that. Yeah, so for the money.
So we're quite happy with this. £150, and that was today's version. If you look on it now,
yeah, one's 300 quid.
Well, the one we got today, this one was because the other one's like what do you call it? The batteryless. It's batteryless, but this one's not.
Wow.
So, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Something very different on our channel.
Look at that, it's shaking
back.
That's
all that shaken back. Look, show them shaken back so they can see. Look, you see I've shaken back here, and it's all in there now.
Wow.
Oh, that smells nice. Lily of the Valley, I like Lily of the Valley. So I hope you enjoyed this really random unboxing of our Shark Hoover that we got from QVC. If you did like this video, please give us a paws up, and we will see you. Oh look, there's Billy. Billy's now thinking, what's that?
Oh, hello, Mum.
If you like this video, please give us a paws up, as I said. I hope you enjoyed us doing something different unboxing, and we will see you in the next Pink Poodle 2. And until then, remember, do you know what it's say, Paul? Remember what it is?
No, it is. It's what I say, and it's like, hey.
No, they didn't see that. Okay, it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Until next time on Pink Poodle 2. Bye, guys. Thank you for... And I hope you didn't mind a random unboxing. Take care. Bye.